Welcome to Lecture 11 in the totally free Mastering AI Prompts course. In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a website using GPT-4.
Hello friends, Gloria here for Jim Star. I bet you didn't know how far web design has come since the days of dial-up. A website was just a bunch of flashing GIFs and scrolling text. We've come a long way, baby. Now we're on the cusp of a new era, AI web design. It's like having a brainy robot sidekick who builds websites. Exciting, right? Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee and boom, your website practically builds itself thanks to the power of AI. No more wrestling with code or spending hours on design. Sounds like something out of Star Trek, doesn't it? Well, it's not science fiction anymore. AI, particularly GPT-4, is revolutionizing web development. It's like having Sheldon Cooper design your website, but without the awkward social interactions. So buckle up, website enthusiasts. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI-powered web design. Get ready to say bazinga to the future of website creation with GPT-4.
Let's talk about GPT-4. It's not just some random acronym, folks. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4. Don't worry, there won't be a quiz later. Think of GPT-4 as the ultimate website building sidekick. It's like a super smart computer program trained on a massive amount of data. We're talking mountains of text and code. It's like the Library of Congress had a baby with the internet. This means GPT-4 can understand and generate human-like text. But that's not all, folks. It can also write different kinds of creative content. Poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters. You name it, GPT-4 can probably do it. And guess what? It's incredibly good at generating website code. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. GPT-4 handles it all like a pro. It's like having a whole team of web developers at your fingertips. Okay, before we unleash the power of GPT-4, we need a plan. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a spaceship without a flight plan, would you? Exactly. First things first, we need to figure out the purpose of your website. What do you want to achieve? Are you trying to sell products, share your thoughts with the world, or maybe showcase your cat's impressive collection of hats? Once you know your website's purpose, you can start thinking about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Cat lovers, space enthusiasts, people who appreciate a good hat. Knowing your target audience will help you tailor your website's content and design to their liking. It's all about making a good first impression, right? You want people to visit your website and say, wow, this is great. Not, what in the name of all that is holy is going on here? Now comes the fun part, creating content. This is where GPT-4 really shines, folks. It's like having a personal wordsmith at your beck and call. But instead of using a quill and parchment, it uses ones and zeros. Think about the different pages you want on your website. An About Us page, a contact page, maybe a gallery of cat hats page. You get the idea. For each page, jot down some key points you want to cover. What information is essential? What kind of tone do you want to convey? Be specific. GPT-4 loves specifics. Then, feed those points to GPT-4 and watch it work its magic. It'll generate clear, concise, and engaging text that'll make your website visitors say, tell me more. Section 5. From text to code. Generating HTML with GPT-4. Time to turn those beautiful words into a real website. Don't worry, we're not going full-on coding ninja here. Remember GPT-4, our trusty sidekick? It's got this covered. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of any website. It's like the skeleton that holds everything together. But writing HTML can be tedious. That's where GPT-4 struts in, looking all cool and confident. Simply tell GPT-4 what we want on each page, like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. We're talking plain English, people. No need to decipher cryptic code. It's as easy as ordering takeout. GPT-4 takes our instructions and spits out clean, well-structured HTML code. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more practicality. Our website is starting to take shape. Section 6. Styling with CSS and GPT-4. Now that we have the bones of our website, let's add some flair. We're talking fonts, colors, layouts, all that jazz that makes a website visually appealing. This is where CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, comes in. Think of CSS as the fashion consultant of web design. It takes our basic HTML structure and dresses it up in a stunning outfit. Fear not, dear readers, for GPT-4 is here to save the day. Describe the look, and GPT-4 generates the CSS code. It's like having a personal stylist who speaks fluent code. With GPT-4's help, we can experiment with different styles. It's all about expressing our unique brand and captivating our audience. We'll learn more about CSS in an upcoming lesson. Section 7. Adding functionality with JavaScript and GPT-4. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to take our website from static to dynamic. We're talking interactive elements, animations, and all sorts of cool features that'll make our visitors go wowza. This is where JavaScript, the programming language of the web, comes in. It adds life and pizzazz to our website, making it more engaging and user-friendly. But writing JavaScript can be like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Tricky stuff. Luckily, our trusty sidekick GPT-4 is also a JavaScript whiz. We can tell it what kind of functionality we want, like a drop-down menu or a contact form. And it'll generate the necessary JavaScript code. It's like having a personal software engineer who works tirelessly behind the scenes. With GPT-4's help, we can transform our website into an interactive masterpiece, captivating our audience and keeping them coming back for more. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to visit a website that's as exciting as watching paint dry. Frequently asked questions. Your questions answered. Let's tackle some FAQs about using GPT-4 for web development. Think of this as the Q&A portion of our AI website building extravaganza. GPT-4 assists web developers, not replaces them. It automates tasks but needs human creativity and expertise. It's like a super fast calculator. You still need to know the math. GPT-4 makes web development accessible to everyone. It might generate code that needs tweaking. Review and test everything thoroughly. There are free trials and affordable plans available. Section 9. Your website awaits. Congratulations, web wizards. We've reached the end of our AI-powered website building journey. If you've enjoyed this lesson and this free course, please take a second to like, share, comment and subscribe. It's truly appreciated. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding GPT-4 to generating code and styling our website. Remember, creating a website is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. GPT-4 is here to assist you every step of the way, making the process smoother and more efficient. Now go forth and unleash your creativity. Build something amazing with GPT-4 and show the world what you're capable of. Because in the vast digital landscape, your unique voice and vision deserve to be heard and seen. Don't stop here. Click on the next video in our series to continue your journey and master even more AI-powered techniques.